Welcome to my Fakeaway series, where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking these banging crispy duck pancakes, and don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. I'm using my air fryer to recreate this takeaway classic. So prick the duck legs with a fork all over the skin. This will ensure that the fat renders out during the cooking process, and then dust liberally with Chinese 5-spice. Place onto the crisp plate within your air fryer drawer and cook at 160 for 45 minutes. Then crank up the temperature to crisp up the skin. Leave to cool slightly, then shred the duck. You can use your hands, but if it's too hot, a couple of forks will do the job beautifully. Look how tender this is. Now I like to serve mine on a steamed pancake with some hoisin, cucumber, spring onion, and some toasted chili oil for a lovely kick. Now you know you can roll your pancakes, but there's only one way to eat these beauties. Make sure to let me know in the comments which takeaway you'd like to see me cook next. Thank you so much for all the support. This recipe is absolutely banging.